Here we are, room 602 at the Westbury Hotel in Dublin, Ireland. We walk through the entry. They've set up a nice little display here of champagne and sweets. We have a little sitting area and a TV with desk. You can see out the window here, looking over downtown Dublin. Walk over here and we're walking into the master bedroom where we have nice end tables, a great view looking down the main strip here in Dublin, Ireland. The windows open up. We're seeing the bathroom, very nice bathroom. We got his and her sinks, plenty of toiletries. We have a nice large bathtub. Large shower with rain shower head and everything. It's a very nice room. Over here is the closet where we have robes and irons. We have nice drink options. Room 602.